Kaya nga po titingnan sa record. Kasi baka hindi po namin alam.
Ay, ito, SP, huwag kang palusot. Pinapasabit ko nga kay Back dito yung dokumento. Kasi coming from his mouth, that it was 2018. The date that was received by COA. 4 years after.
Is it correct, Mr. Chair, because COA, is it correct that the initial lease agreement, the rate for the rent is 300 per square meter, niyo ba? Is this also connected with the lease agreement, which is undervalued at around 300 per square meter?
Yes, Your Honor. The
Okay,
total
so-
amount of the notice of charge was 14,704,320.
So during the time that Comnet and the municipality of Bawan entered into an agreement, they were paying for 300 per square meters. That's correct.
Yes, Your Honor. 300 per square meter per...
Yes.
No, Your Honor. 320 per square meter per year.
Yes.
Per year.
So this is well below the fair lease rate that should have been at least 2016 per square meter. Is it correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
So that the time that they have started paying the 320 per square meter, it was Comnet who was paying.
It was Comnet, Your Honor.
Okay, so when you release the fraud audit, para klaro po, when you release the fraud audit with all this assessment and with all of these observations, the issuance of the deed of assignment was transferred from Comnet to Adventureland.
Yes, Your Honor.
And part of the fraud audit that you have issued is the notice of charge, meaning they have to pay, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor,
Okay.
for the undervalued
Okay,
price.
SB, did you pay for the undervalue? Not the Comnet anymore?
Yes, Your Honor.
So that is-
we paid on June 20, they paid on June 10, 2021.
So
Those
that is-
undervalued amount.
That is in fact complying with the fraud audit. Would that be correct? You are admitting that there was indeed a undervalue payment of Comnet, and since you have already under the observation of COA, the fraud audit, there was a violation of sort, then that's the time you have issued the deed of assignment in order to pay for the remaining balance of 17,487,000 as payment. Would that be correct?
Kasi po yung
Hindi, would that be correct? Tama po ba? Yung
Hindi po,
pagkaintindi ko po?
kasi 2014 pa po yung deed of assignment.
Hindi, ang sabi nga nila,
Ang findings po nila ay 2017.
ang sabi nga nila, it was only issued after the fraud audit. You could have at least informed COA that there was already a deed of assignment in 2014. Why did you allow COA to conduct a fraud audit for all these years? Are you telling us that alam nyo na nag-fraud audit at yet hindi nyo binigay ang COA ng deed of assignment? Is that what you're telling us?
Yung pong pangyayari, hindi ko po yun kuwan. Pero before the audit, there is already a
I know
deed of
you said
assignment.
that 2014 you have already issued the deed of assignment, and yet they have already conducted the fraud audit for how many years, Madam COA? Have you before you have resolved? Before you have issued the fraud audit report, how many years have you conducted that?
We conducted the fraud audit,
Yes.
Your Honor. At 2014, Your Honor.
Oh, see?
2014.
And then what year did you what year did you issue the fraud audit report?
2017, Your Honor.
Oh, see, so took you to 3 years, and that you never informed COA that there was already a deed of assignment?
Actually, siguro, hindi ko pala alam sa COA. Kasi lahat ng documents po ay sinubmit namin sa COA.
No, hindi nga nila ayaw nga nila wala nga silang document na it was only, they were only informed. Ma'am, were you informed just recently? Okay, see. What date did you receive the document that's saying that in 2014 there was already a deed of assignment?
January 27, 2025, Your Honor.
So just recently, are you telling me from all those years you have never bothered to even inform COA that there was already a deed of assignment?
We will
Is that
check
what you're
the
telling this
documents, sir.
committee? Is that what you're telling this committee?
No, no, Your Honor. We will check the documents because maybe nakaligtan lang po yung documents ni COA or titingnan po natin yung records.
Hindi po, ganito po. Kahit anong pa ba, kahit 2018 pa po, 2014 kasi yung fraud audit, di ba? 2018 na kayo nagpadala ng deed of assignment. Kanina sabi ng back mo. Sabi na natin na na-receive, duly received by COA, but that is 2018. Di ba? Pero yung deed of assignment, sinasabi nyo, 2014. Hindi pa ako sigurado, baka inantidate nyo lang. Why it take you 4 years? Di ba? Why it take you 4 years to have an appeal memorandum and a deed of assignment submitted to COA? Sinasabi niyo 2014 pa. Di ba?
Pero
baka-
nag-base
baka-
lang po yung aking knowledge sa based on my documents.
Hindi na, yung back, do you confirm? Yung back, di ba, do you confirm? You're under oath. Do you confirm? That, ano po? You made an appeal memorandum and the deed of assignment submitted to COA 2018. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, yun yung sinasabi ko, Secretary, kinonfirm na lang back. It takes you 4 years to inform COA na may deed of assignment na. Why? Oh, why? Since the fraud audit was already conducted, 2014 pa. Ano ko nga dyan, baka inantidate nyo. And that's falsification.
Since ako po sa SB, hindi ko po alam yung sa executive na naging action.
Hindi nga, ang sinasabi ko lang, on record, that was confirmed by your back, that was 2018, the deed of assignment was submitted to COA, but the fraud audit happens 2014. And the deed of assignment dated 2014. It takes you 4 years para i-submit yun sa COA.
Kaya nga po titingnan sa record. Kasi baka
Hindi
po
nga
namin alam.
Ay, ito, SP, huwag kang palusot. Pinapasabit ko nga kay Back dito yung dokumento. Kasi coming from his mouth, that it was 2018. The date that was received by COA. 4 years after. Di ba? COA. Tama? Back, tama? Di ba?
Yes, Your Honor. Kaya lang, baka nun lang namin na-discover na hindi nakasubmit nung padalhan kami ng fraud audit team na.
Ay, hindi palusot daw. Sabihin pa natin, is it correct? Is it correct and proper? And that will be a reason?
Sorry po, Your Honor, baka hindi lang agad.
At the very least, question of due diligence. Ours is, ginawa nyo na lang para i-cure.
No, sir.
It takes you 4 years. Tapos yung going ng, fraud audit. Anyway, ma'am, hindi pa tayo tapos, ma'am, balikan ko lang muna since we have now the quorum in the Zoom.